Would you say that that's one of the areas that's different about you, is your past experience being on the other side?
Well, obviously, working for the insurance companies, how better can you get to know how they operate and the way they handle claims? But more than just that, Tom, I'm also an AV-rated attorney, which means that I went through blind peer review by 18 different attorneys who were asked to rate me as an attorney, along with 4 judges. And there are 3 ratings that you can get: AV, BV, and CV. The top 2% of lawyers get an AV rating, and I was fortunate to be given an AV rating. I'm also board certified in civil trial law, which is something that only 2% of the lawyers in Florida can say. And what that means is that I'm allowed to call myself a specialist in handling civil trial matters like personal injury cases. And having gone through that experience, it also helps me with insurance companies, because one of the things that they do, Tom, is they look at the lawyer's background and experience, and they decide what they're going to do with the case depending upon the lawyer. That's one of the things that they consider.
How hard is the fight going to be?
There you go. So they'll look at the lawyer, and if they say this is an AV-rated board-certified civil trial lawyer, that claim gets put in a different light than the ones where the lawyer don't have that kind of experience. So that is another thing that I bring to the table, and to my knowledge, I'm the only lawyer in the Sarasota, Bradenton, Venice area that has both 20 years of experience working with insurance companies, is board certified in civil trial law, and is AV rated by Martindale-Hubbell.
See, not all lawyers are made the same. You want somebody that's going to go fight the fight for you, that knows what's going on. We were talking earlier before about how you spend a great deal of time preparing for trial. We were kind of joking about it, like, who wouldn't do that? You know, you've got to practice before the game, and trial is the big game for people. A lot of lawyers wing it. A lot of lawyers are all about settling it. A lot of lawyers are not very good in trial.